Today's video is on the topic of top 10 places to visit in Austria. Tucked in between the soaring Alps, Austria is an enchanting country with dream-like landscapes. Picture perfect meadows and grasslands, stunning Baroque architecture and music flowing through its veins. From pretty villages to magnificent cities, from the best operas to the most lavish desserts, Austria has the perfect ingredients to intoxicate your senses. Let us guide you through the picturesque landscapes and stunning cities to find out the best places to visit in Austria, including the usual suspects like Vienna and Salzburg and some hidden unexplored Austria tourist places like Bregenz and Wachau. Be sure that you will have a wonderful time relishing the culture and exploring the alpine landscapes. Make sure you include all these places to your itinerary and indulge in the experiences they offer for a vacation you will remember forever. 1. Vienna. The city of grand palaces and museums, the home of opera and Beethoven, Vienna is a city steeped in culture and grandeur. A walk down the city's beautiful Ringstrasse Boulevard, lined with royal buildings like the Hofburg Imperial Palace, and many beautiful parks, is a great way to let the magic of Vienna grow on you. Vienna is one of the best cities in Austria. You can also enjoy lovely coffee at the cafes in Vienna for a chilled-out evening. The opulent Schönbrunn and Belvedere palaces and the ornate St. Stephen's Cathedral are architectural marvels and a must-visit for art and history enthusiasts. Don't forget to sip the famous Viennese coffee at one of many cozy coffee houses and gaze in wonder at the world-famous Vienna Opera House before you bid adieu to one of the best places to visit in Vienna, Austria. 2. Salzburg. One of the must-see places in Austria is Salzburg that brings to mind a charming city surrounded by rolling green meadows, majestic historical buildings and Mozart, the birthplace of the genius composer and the place where the iconic movie Sound of Music was shot. Salzburg tops the list of top places to visit in Austria. The old town Aldsten with its stunning Baroque buildings is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, while the imposing Hohensalzburg Fortress boasts of being Europe's last preserved castle. The grand extravaganza of culture, music and the arts, the Salzburger Festspiel during summers is an experience to remember. 3. Innsbruck. The idyllic alpine town surrounded by high mountains has plenty of options that make your stay worthwhile. You could enjoy a leisurely walk through the old town and marvel at the glittering Goldene Stachel, adorned with more than 2,500 shiny tiles, or get a peek into the Tyrolean Folk Art Museum, one of the finest museums for regional heritage in Europe. A destination for all seasons and one of the most magical places to visit in Austria in winter. Innsbruck has world-renowned ski resorts which can be enjoyed in the winter months. Adventure enthusiasts can go hiking up the gorgeous meadows, bungee jumping at Europa Bridge, take the thrilling funicular ride up the Nordkette mountain range, and even check out the Innsbruck nightlife. 4. Salzkammergut. This picturesque resort area near Salzburg offers the quintessential Austrian experience, with shimmering blue lakes, 76 lakes in all, stunning alpine ranges, charming villages, and luxurious spa towns. Situated by the Lake Hallstatt and included on UNESCO's World Heritage Sites list, is the fairy tale village Hallstatt, which happens to be amongst the most beautiful places to visit in Austria. Undoubtedly one of the most beautiful places to go in Austria, Hallstatt's stunning pastel-colored houses, underground salt lake Salzwelten and ice cave on Dachstein Mountain will take your breath away. The spa town of Bad Ischl and the romantic St. Wolfgang are other tourist favorites. 5. Graz. Austria's second largest city with 6 universities and one of Europe's best preserved old town areas, Graz has so much to satiate your traveler soul. Throw in the numerous museums, impressive Baroque and Renaissance-style buildings, and a unique forested hill in the center of the city offering panoramic views, and you have the recipe for a perfect vacation. Literally too, because Graz will also entice you with its many culinary delights. Cooking enthusiasts can carry home some pumpkin seed oil to pep up their dishes back home. Counted amongst the most offbeat places to visit in Austria, Graz is a must-visit. 6. Werther See. Canoeing, spelunking, pretty churches in the hometown of Porsche are reason enough to spend a few days at Austria's favored summer destination. The beautiful Werther See Lake offers ample opportunities for swimming, boating and canoeing in the summer months. You can head to the colorful Griffin Stalactite Cave for some thrill and exploration. Admiring the 12th century ancient Cathedral of Gurk and a visit to Gmünd, the birthplace of Porsche, complete your list of must-do experiences in one of the best places to go in Austria. 7. Bad Gastein. Head to the spa town of Bad Gastein to take a dip in the healing hot spring waters and breathe in the pure mountain air. Perched on the high Tauern mountain, This splendid hill town also attracts skiing enthusiasts during the winters, which makes it one of the best places to visit in Austria. Famous for its Belle Epoque-style hotels and villas, Bad Gastein has some thrilling hiking trails around and ample outdoor opportunities like biking and hiking. The spectacular Gastein waterfall in the heart of the town is an impressive sight. Open studios, creative workshops, jazz shows, culinary delights and a buzzing nightlife are more reasons to book your holiday right away. 8. Bregenz. Located on the eastern edge of Lake Constance, Bregenz offers sweeping views of the Swiss and German Alps. It is one of the best places to visit in Austria. Stroll around the beautiful promenade by the lake or take a cable car up the Fonder Mountain for breathtaking vistas of the Lake Constance. The mountaintop is also a great place to relish a lunch with spectacular views or meander along a hiking trail. Get bowled over by the opera and orchestras at the annual Bregenz Festival, July-August, performed at the floating lakeside platform. The architecture, history and art legacy of the city can be admired in museums and beautiful buildings across the town. 9. Wachau. Flanking the beautiful Danube River, this rich valley is one of the best South Austria tourist attractions. A UNESCO World Heritage Site for its cultural significance and unmatched natural splendor. Wachau Valley is popular amidst wine connoisseurs for some of the best white wines in the world. Studded with some magnificent monasteries, like the Baroque Melk Monastery, castles and fortresses. Wachau Valley offers lots of history and architectural delights too. This spot deserves to be one on the list of the most famous places to visit in Austria. 10. Zell am See. International level ski slopes, pristine blue waters of Zell am See Lake in the picturesque Salzburg Mountains. Make Zell am See one of the most beautiful places in Austria for natural beauty and relaxation. Add this place to your itinerary if you are visiting Austria in March. Cycling along the dreamy lake or swimming in the impossibly blue water of the lake are some of the most invigorating experiences in this enchanting alpine town. You can soak in the scenic beauty while sipping coffee at one of the many cafes in the city center or walk the elevated walkway at St. Hippolyte's Church for some of the best views. And that concludes our video on the 10 best places to visit in Austria. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of some of the most stunning destinations that Austria has to offer. Whether you're a fan of architecture, history, or natural beauty, Austria has something for everyone. From the iconic Schönbrunn Palace in Vienna to the breathtaking scenery of Hallstatt, Austria is a country that will leave you mesmerized. If you haven't already, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to check out Travel Touropia for more amazing travel content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.